Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to play YouTube in background on iPhone. Okay, first things first, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Access then YouTube Premium by tapping on your profile icon in the top right corner of the YouTube app. In Getting YouTube Premium, in the menu, you'll find the Get YouTube Premium option. Tap on it to learn more about the subscription. YouTube Premium will then offer several benefits, including background play. To enjoy background play, you can either subscribe to YouTube Premium or take advantage of the free trial if available in your region. Once you have your YouTube Premium, you want to play a video you'd like to watch. Then, minimize or close the YouTube app. The video will then continue playing in the background, allowing you to use other apps or lock your screen without interruption. Additionally, to enable picture-in-picture mode, just go to your YouTube app settings. Tap your profile icon, access settings, choose general, and turn on picture-in-picture. This allows you to keep the video playing in a small window, even when you navigate to other apps or the home screen. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now play YouTube in background on iPhone. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.